Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate Kuya Beshis, kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Pisces at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe o enerhiya na ating pong mababasa. We have the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the Tower, the Ten of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Bottom niya is the Chariot. Okay, Pisces. So, yung bottom natin is Chariot. This is an energy coming from Cancer. And pag Chariot, alam naman natin na this signifies movement, paggalaw. And ang paggalaw nito is moving forward, no? Ibig sabihin kung dati nag-iisip-isip ka pa o parang medyo pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo, ngayon hindi na, talagang nag-decide ka na talagang kailangan may mangyari. Kailangan gumalaw. Kailangan meron ng matupad. Kailangan may makita kong pagbabago. Okay? So, ito yung Chariot. Now, ano ba yung hinihiling mo na magkaroon ng? Well, sinabi ko pagbabago, definitely, energy ng Devil is from a Capricorn. So, you might be dealing with a Capricorn or meron siyang Capricorn sa kanyang chart. Ang gusto mong mabago is, of course, maalis itong Devil energy na to. This is something na very obsessive or possessive, na o kaya may wrongdoings, may maling ginagawa, no? Obviously, na something very negative na hindi dapat, no? The energy is not a good energy to be absorbing o para makuha mo o gawin mo. Kasi yung energy ng Devil is something na, 'di ba, parang pinupush ka na gawin yung isang bagay na hindi nararapat. And because you wanted to have movement, to have this change, we have Judgment. This is an energy coming from a Sagittarius, and this is giving you that decision, no, to make that decision for that change, no, na magkaroon ng pagbabago. Kasi if you wanted to have that, kung gaba yung forward movement nga, maybe forward movement with a Capricorn, you need to make that decision. Kailangan mong gumawa ng isang decision na matindi, na parang tinitest yung sarili mo kung ikaw ba ay magpapadala dito sa maling gawain na ito o hindi. So, kung gaba parang it's your choice. Parang you are being led to do that. But, syempre parang in a way it is a test, no? Tinitignan, sinusubukan ni God o yung universe na pipiliin mo ba yung tama o yung mali. Okay, kasi dito, you have two aces, no? The Ace of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Pareho silang maganda kasi ang Ace of Cups is all about new beginning in love, no? Relationship, emotion, feelings, something that you really like, na talagang gusto mo. May pakiramdam ka para rito, okay? Binibigyan ka ng pag-asa na magkaroon muli ng panibagong relationship. Now, with the Ace of Wands is something that you are very passionate about, na talagang ang naiisip mong ito o naiisip mong taong to would create that heat or that fire within you na talagang mafe-feel mo yung passion na yon. Kung if you are thinking of someone, no? But if it is something to do maybe of a job, you wanted to do something that really stimulates yung creativity mo. So you wanted to do that. It might be your new love of doing something very creative. Kung ito is something to do with a job or a career. And with the Tower, hindi mo talaga ina-expect, no? You don't expect na nagulat ka, nabigla ka na ang dala nito sa'yo ay kaligayahan. Sobrang kaligayahan with the Ten of Cups. Hindi pumasok sa isipan mo na ang magiging dala nito o magiging resulta nito o ang mararamdaman mo ay yung tinatawag nilang fulfillment, no? Yung kung gaba parang katuparan, okay? Naabot mo yung katuparan na yon na minimithi mo. But of course, meron ka pa rin ditong haharapin na conflict, no? Something na talagang I think you need to be mindful about. Kailangan mong alam o aware or there's something that is coming up. Kung gaba parang to balance things, hindi pwedeng puro ka masaya. There will be times na there will be some conflict. But we will see kung ano tong conflict na to. Okay? We have the Page of Wands, the Three of Cups, the Six of Swords, the World, and the Four of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Seven of Pentacles. Yung matagal mo na kasi itong pinaplano o iniisip o kung gaba parang yung concept na gusto mo mabuo or maybe that the company that you wanted to get into o ma-hire o to get that promotion o yung person that you wanted to be involved with, matagal ka nang namuhunan kung gaba. And you've been very patient dito sa tao na to o sa proseso na to o do sa iniintay mong magiging promotion o kumpanya na ma-hire ka, okay? Take it as it resonates. And with the King of Wands, you are so determined. Napaka-determinado mo na talagang mangyari ito. Because you really want it. You want it so much. Or you want it so badly. Because another ace, it will give you this new beginning of prosperity. Of course, parang, kasi this is Pentacles, so something to do with resources, with money, with property, anything that is material. Yun yung gusto mo. Kung gaba, this time, gusto ko makapagpundar na. I wanted to see all my hard work na makita ko na, no, through maybe have a house, a car, yung bank account ko puno, no, may pera, o nakapag-travel ako sa ganitong mga lugar. In other words, may outcome na yung aking naging investment, yung aking pinagtrabahuan, yung aking pinag-intay, yung aking binigyan ng energy o effort. So, with the Ace of Cups, sabi ko nga, a new beginning with love. And this is, you will receive a message of passion. So, umpisa na to. And of course, something very passionate, no, with these two new beginnings. And that would mean having a date, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng pagkikita, enjoy, no? Enjoying each other's company, having some drinks, having some talks, or if this is somebody from your past, magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation. And if this is something to do with the job, there's something worth celebrating. No, you probably receive this notation or memo or an email from management or your boss na sinasabi na, okay, kung ano man yung minimithi mong promotion, increase, or pag-angat or level up sa inyong company, ito yon. No? So that's why you worth celebrating. And you didn't expect that, no? Ito, with the tower, you didn't expect it. Na talagang, wow, mangyayari pala to. Yung gustong-gusto ko. Bigla na lang siya dumating. And with the Six of Swords, talagang, it brought you peacefulness, no? Parang, yung feeling na bigla kang nakalma ka. Yung feeling na wala na akong dapat ikagambala, ipagkaba. Because I already attained what I wanted, no? And it made me very happy. Masaya ako. And because of that, nakita ko na kung ano man yung hirap before na dinaanan ko with the World card, binibigyan ako nito ng panibagong cycle, a new beginning. A very promising new beginning. Kung gaba kasi sinasabi ko nga, yung lahat ng hirap ko before, natapos na kasi bibigyan ako ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Okay? But somehow, in the midst of all of this greatness or happiness, may conflict pa rin na dumadating sa buhay mo, Pisces. So you have to be mindful, sabi ko nga. Aware ka lang na mayroong dadating na gulo. And maybe it's something to do with a person. Kasi it could be yung person mo na, you don't want to let go, you don't want to forget, or kung gaba parang for you still keep holding on to this company, o iniisip mo that there is something that is stopping you kung bakit hindi ka mag-move forward. Maybe itong conflict na to has something to do with this feeling of being held back. No? So, clarify natin. Bakit andito yung Five of Wands? We have the Eight of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Strength card. Bottom is Empress. Yung conflict has something to do, Pisces, with your thoughts, yung pag-iisip mo. Kung papasukan mo to ng something negative, of course, maano ka yung 'di ba, pag negative yung thoughts natin, hindi maganda yung output natin. Kaya nga lagi natin sinasabi, hindi, maging positive ka lang. Positive thinking lang. Kasi this is really saying na yung isip mo ang parang nagko-control sa'yo. Yung isip mo ang nanggugulo o nagugulo dito sa pangyayari na to. Kung gaba parang may pangyayari and then pinasukan mo pa o dinagdagan mo pa ng having that doubt within you pagdating sa equal give and take, no? Yung equality pagdating sa patas na laban. And it has something to do with you having the courage to really exert yourself, no? Mag-exert ka para talaga maging patas. Maging patas ang lahat para sa'yo. This might be something na, kasi this could be also competition. Kung ito ay sa trabaho, sa career, there might be a competition or may competition between you and somebody else for that position. Kaya kung gaba parang, syempre, nababalutan ka rin ng doubt. Kaya ko ba to? Labanan? That's why you're being encouraged to be confident, be strong, know your value para maging pantay yung pag-judge sa inyo ng boss mo o ng management. So they would see fairly, equally, kung ano yung capabilities mo. Hindi yung papasukan mo ng negativity, syempre, bababa yung self-esteem mo. Paano mo mapapakita sa kanila na, oo, I am capable as much as that person, o baka even better pa ako. That's why you have to be assertive. No? Ipakita mo yung galing mo. And don't be having this energy of a Four of Pentacles sa parang, hindi ko to kaya, hindi ko to. No, you take this out. You remove this energy, Pisces. Kasi kaya mo, hindi mo papasukin tong isang bagay na to kung alam mong hindi mo kaya. That's one thing for sure. Ang mga Pisces, they know what they can do. They know what they can offer. They know what they have. Ang question dyan nga lang is, do other people see that too? O pinapakita mo rin ba yun sa kanila, Pisces? Kasi kung hindi mo pinapakita yun, sayang, di ba? Sayang yung effort. Kasi kung gaba parang hindi mo na bigay yung full potential mo, wherein you should have. Kasi you are gifted. You know. Alam mo, Pisces. Kaya huwag ka matakot. Don't be afraid. Have this energy of the Strength card. This is an energy coming from a Leo. Baka may Leo ka sa iyong chart. Be courageous, matapang, strong, confident. Okay? So, ano pa yung message na gusto mong isabihin kay Pisces? Health is, I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. Of course, you have to be very healthy, mindful of your health para you can do all of this. Perseverance. I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. Exactly, di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ko. You persevere. Kaya mo yan. Worry. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. Definitely, Pisces. Don't worry. Di ba? Ito yun eh. It's one way of saying that you worry. Isip ka na isip. Keep thinking na baka hindi ko to kaya. No. Kaya mo yan. Hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo ni God o yung universe kung hindi mo kaya. Okay? So, kung meron mong unang na maniniwala sa sayo, ikaw yon. Okay, Pisces? I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.